Hello students, again I am here to tell you to be's past tense form, and to be's past tense forms are was and were, W-E-R-E. So in which condition and in which tense and according to this which subject we are going to use was and were, we will have a look at it. First of all, was is to be's past tense form, and this particular auxiliary verb was is used whenever the subject is singular, first person, like I was a student, I was listening. So in simple past as well as past continuous tense we use was, and the subject is first person singular, like I was a student, I was listening. Similarly, was can be used whenever the subject is third person singular, like he was my student, he was disturbing class. She was my student, she was listening all lectures regularly. It was an animal, it was running speedily. So in this scenario, whenever the subject is first person singular as well as third person singular and the tense is either simple past or past continuous tense, we use was. Now let us discuss about the use of were, W-E-R-E. It is pronounced as were in connected speech. It can also be pronounced as were, W-E-R-E. So either I pronounce it as were or were, you need to understand the spelling as W-E-R-E. So were, this to be's past tense form is used whenever the subject is plural, first person plural, we. We were absent yesterday, simple past. We were watching a movie, past continuous. Two conditions: the subject has to be first person plural like we, and the tense has to be either simple past or past continuous, like we were absent yesterday, simple past, we were watching a movie, past continuous. Similarly, whenever the subject is second person singular as well as plural, we are going to use were, and the tense, as I said, simple past or past continuous, like you were my student, you were disturbing class, simple past as well as past continuous tense respectively. You all were my students, you all were disturbing my class. So in both the cases, simple past and past continuous, and the subject is second person singular as well as plural. Were can also be used whenever the subject is third person plural and the tense is either simple past or past continuous. For example, they were standing in the veranda, simple past. They were making noise, past continuous. Now someone will ask me, they were standing in veranda, this is past continuous. No, standing has different connotation over here. Fine. Or boys were present today, girls were absent today, girls were cooking, boys were helping them out. So this is how were, this particular to be's past tense form is used according to the tense and according to the subject. So you need to pay attention to. The next to haves and to do's, present tense and past tense form I will create in next video. Thank you.